For 288,000 pesos, ano nga ba ang kasama at makukuha mo sa all-new FKM Venture 400? Nakita nyo naman sa montage. So, may mga dinagdag dito sa FKM Venture 400. Tingnan natin up close. Meron na siyang handguards. It's made of light metal. Okay, nakakabit sa dulo ng bar end. Meron din siyang bar end. At may bracket pa dito sa side mirror which makes it really robust. Kaya solid itong kanyang handguards. Okay, nakita natin na meron siyang crash guards. Okay, hanggang doon sa dulo, yung kanyang crash guards. Yung kulay pala nito ay matte black. Okay, aside sa front camera na nakikita natin, meron na rin siyang auxiliary lights. Okay, napakaganda ng kanyang auxiliary lights. Tinangan natin yung kanyang auxiliary lights. Ito pala yung kanyang aux lights. Meron siyang DRL. And you have the aux lights, naka-separate switch. May konting modes. Wow! Yon. So, color white lang yung kanyang aux lights at sumasabay din siya sa busina. Yan. Ito nga pala yung panel. It's a full TFT display. It's around 6 inches of TFT panel. So, meron na siyang traction control, outside temperature. Meron siyang TPMS. Okay, temperature, RPM speed, the FKM logo, battery time, voltage, average fuel consumption, yung range, kilometers. Okay, wala siyang fuel, so hindi pa natin siya masa-start for now. This is a totally brand new unit. Okay, ayan yung kanyang TPMS. So makikita natin yung tire pressure right on the go. And then we have the information bar. Ito yung lumalabas sa screen. Pwede natin tayo mamili kung yung mga gusto natin makita. And then, meron siyang QR code para naman ito sa app. Okay, para pwede tayo mag-screen mirror. At we can download the app and it gives us more access to our Venture 400. Ito naman yung sa camera. We have a front and a rear camera. Ayun, so nakikita yung aking anak. Mika, kaway ka nga. Okay, wave. There. O yan, see? So, kita natin na it's a live one. And then sa likod naman, that's the tarpaulin. Okay, check natin ha. I'll put my hand. There, yun. O yun. So kita mo na talagang gumagana yung camera. Okay, that's a front and a rear camera. Then we have the time and we're back here in the setting. Okay, so dun pa lang sa camera, hindi lang front pero meron din siya sa rear. And that's really a very, very good safety feature and a great addition dahil nakikita natin sa panel ni Venture 400 yung actual display ng camera. Right, so andito tayo sa FKM Bazaar City, Cainta. This Sunday, guys, grand opening nga pala dito. Invited kayo. Okay, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, lunch will be served. Meron tayong raffle, meron tayong games at open natin tong branch ni Bazaar City, Cainta. And of course, meron tayong test rides. You will get to check out the Venture 400 by FKM. Ito nga pala, limited. We only have a few pieces that arrive here in the Philippines. Pero you can already place your pre-orders para meron ka na nitong Venture 400. Alright, other key features ni Venture 400. Gas charge na yung kanyang shock absorbers. Naka-dual sport tires by CST. These are really makapit to. Okay, kahit sa side wall, we've tried this out on the roads. Naka-ano na siya, naka-spoke rims, color black. Okay, which makes it hindi siya pansin na pansin, but I think it's pretty elegant. Okay, malaki yung kanyang exhaust. Ayan yung kanyang design. The color of this one is in forest metallic green. Meron din tayong white and meron din tayong black. Okay, so ganito mga maxi scoots, napakalaki ng pillion seat. Okay, ito yung passenger or the pillion foot pegs. And then meron tayong additional decals sa side. You have the 400cc, and this one is a true 400cc. You have traction control, which is, pwede mo siyang off-on. Right? Of course, meron tayong USB charger. Okay, meron din tayo mga switches sa loob. Meron din tayong lighter charger sa loob. Oh, yan. Oh, sa mga batang 90s. Yan, meron pa niyan. Okay, pero ginagamit to for camping. Okay, so ang purpose nun is it's a 12-volt charger. Okay, and then yung aux lights, we have a separate switch, which is a requirement by LTO. And again, we have the hand guards. Okay. These crash guards are OEM. Okay, matte black. Napakaganda ng design. Ikutan lang ulit natin. You can check this out this Sunday dito sa Bazaar City, Cainta. We're here whole day. Actually, whole day, 9 a.m. onwards. Pero yung actual program natin is only 10 to 12. 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Daan kayo dito sa Bazaar City. Meron tayong activities. Meron tayong opening. Meron tayong raffle, prizes, some games. Punta po kayo para magka-kita-kita tayo, and other FKM owners are all welcome para magkita-kita tayo dito sa Bazaar City, Cainta. And we can check out the whole range ng mga FKM units natin. So with that, this is Coach Edsel, guys. I'll see you on Sunday. Thank you for being with me. And available na po si FKM Venture 400 for 288,000 pesos. Meron tayong financing, meron tayong home credit. Pwede rin siya through credit card. Check it out here at Bazaar City, Cainta.